a bluegill, a crappie. Oh my god, they're just stacked in here, dude. Look at this. Wonder if they can see it on my camera or not. I don't know. We'll see. Oh my god, look at all that. There's just what? There's like 6 in screen right there. Crappie. There's a crappie. There's a friggin' crappie. There's crappie everywhere down here.
Alrighty guys, so real quick, this is the hotel room. I'm just really excited about hotel rooms. I love hotel rooms. We'll just start at the door real fast. It's not that special. It was literally $80, and I don't know if it's just because of the winter or what, but starting out, there's this cool little thing here. I feel like I'm in Hangover 2. Really nice bathroom with like a sweet shower that you guys kind of saw earlier. What else we got? It's kind of like retro-y, so like there's like these handles to open everything. Nice TV, big old size king bed, super fun. Like I said, $80, which is pretty surprising because I got to park my car in a garage. They gave me like a little gift basket for coming in. Beautiful room, smells delicious, you know, not very noisy. Really, really amazing. If you guys are coming this way, I would definitely recommend this hotel. It was really, really nice. And I'll probably be staying here again next winter. So anyways, they have nicer rooms too. They're not as expensive either. So anyways, let's get on the water. Enough talking. I geek out when it comes to hotel rooms. I love hotel rooms. All right, bye. And just to show you guys too, this is where I got to park my car. I got to park it inside a heated garage. I left all my stuff in the back. There's security cameras. This place was amazing. If you guys come here in the wintertime, I'm telling you, this is the way to do it. This is awesome. I had a lot of fun here. All right, enough of me geeking out over hotel rooms. Let's go to see Tanner, see what he's doing. My truck just drilled like 1,000 holes. Now we're just gonna start bouncing. We're right off of this little parking lot right over there. You can't really see it, but yeah, right off this little thing here. Cam's gonna be setting up some tip-ups. I'm gonna be kind of bouncing around with my fish finder and chest mount. I'm gonna see what we can do. I think I'm gonna start out with wax worms. I don't know. Wax worms have just always worked well for me. Where is my bank puck? Oh, apologize for the wind in advance. Apologize. Bait puck, not sponsored yet. Hit me up. Oh yes, first perch of the day, boys. Right off the bat. Come on. Nice one. I don't think we're gonna keep them though today. Okay, that's a good sign though. That's a good sign though. Can you guys see everything? There we go. Oh, I hit the bottom. This is a good mark, guys.
Nice. Another friggin' perch, man. Something about this year has just been perch slang fest. Oh yeah. I got a perch though. What'd you get?
Oh, just a bluegill.
Nice.
Oh, nice one.
I got 2 pretty good perches. It's so hard to tell when they bite because of this wind. They have to hit it pretty good to even be able to tell. Just a nice little one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. What's up, Uncut Angling? Talking about 7 stripes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, baby, on a tiny little mother. Is it spinning? Take that. Did you get him?
Yeah.
Oh. Finally.
Oh no. That's
Little guy.
about tiny, but not as big as some of the ones we've seen. He's like cooked in the tail and in the face.
Oh God.
Oh, okay.
Oh my God, yeah, he was too.
That's
Tail
the second
face.
time I've been with you where we have one come up.
Come up tail first. That's awesome. Oh, shank your bud. Oh, this isn't sketchy. Oh my God. It was weird over there, honestly. I'm surprised how it's like able to still be like that. This is so sketchy. Oh, good gill. Good pumpkin seed. Oh my God. That's a good seed. Let me get the fuckers. Right out. I'm keeping that, I think. Look at that thing. Dude, that's like a good one. I'll put him right there. don't know if you guys saw that, but that was the mother lode. That was the mother lode, boys. Holy shit. Okay, I can't really get him to bite, but dude, it's freaking insane.
You're not fish?
Yeah, watch this. I gotta be really gentle.
Oh my god. Holy sh**.
Did you see them all?
They're just hidden in there.
Yeah. You wanna do this hole? There was a big bass while you were walking over.
Oh shit, you got mine.
Oh, did I? Sorry.
Nice kill.
I think I'm in your line again.
Yeah, somehow we got out of it.
Did he?
Damn, dude, they just love it there.
That's crazy. I got an orange and yellow one on with a wax worm. You know wax worm?
Let's see if we can. The hardest part is
Yeah. I just go down to the bottom and like pull up a little bit. Look, I think I'm on bottom there. And I come up from that. A bluegill, a crappie. Oh my god, they're just f***ing stacked in here, dude. Look at this. Wonder if they can see it on my camera or not. I don't know. We'll see. Oh my god, look at all that. There's just what? There's like 6 in screen right there. Crappie. There's a crappie. There's a friggin' crappie. There's crappie everywhere down here, dude. What the? Woo! Oh! And yet another one. Do you mind taking my picture with some of these gills? Like, this gill's a big mother, dude. Look at that chunk. Oh my. I know, me too, but these big bluegill are freaking awesome. How many bluegill can we have? They're so big. Oh my god. Look at these things, dude. Oh my god. Effing A, dude. Oh, I'm pooping my pants right now. I'm gonna go down one more time with that camera and see what's down there. Oh, knees, dude. Damn. I ain't good as I once was. No, I don't think I could really see anything, honestly, to just say.
The latest I've ever seen bluegills like
These are literal. This is the biggest bluegill I've ever caught in my life. This is the biggest bluegill I've ever caught in my life, dude. Dude. What the
that one's probably close to 10.
That's insane.
That's what like less than 10 is just the big average.
That's so insane.
That one might be 10.
Alrighty, well, that is it for us tonight. I had a great time. Thanks again, Tanner, for taking me out. Like I said before, all of his guide service, all of his Instagram stuff, social media will be linked down below if you guys want to check out some of the stuff he does. Had a great night. Got on some big bluegills here right at the end, but other than that, it was a really good weekend. I'm thinking I really wish I could take Monday off and do a little fishing tomorrow too, but that's probably frowned upon. So anyways, we're gonna call it a night. I gotta drive back to Ankeny right now. Thank you guys for watching. If you haven't yet, make sure to hit that subscribe button. I don't know why I'm shaking so much. It's probably because I just caught a big bluegill. A big freaking bluegill. And anyways, all right, we'll see you guys later. Thanks for watching. Did I already say hit that subscribe button?